Hey, good looking. You want to see what we have cooking today in my kitchen? Well, grab a hold of that vine, swing onto my kitchen, and let's get cooking. Good looking. Today, I'm going to sit there and show you how to make Frisco burgers. Well, the hubby wants to have Frisco burgers, but you can't have Frisco burgers without the sauce. So what I want you to get out is some Thousand Island dressing, Western dressing, ketchup, and what's this here sauce? Now add half of a cup of Thousand Island dressing. To that we're going to be adding 1/4 cup of the Western dressing, 3 tablespoons ketchup, and finally 1/4 teaspoon of the what's this here sauce, otherwise known as Worcestershire sauce. I mixed all them ingredients up, and here is the final results. Go ahead, set that off to the side, and let's continue on with building the Frisco burger. Okay, I have some bacon over on my Blackstone griddle that I'm frying up. You're also going to be needing some lettuce, some tomatoes, Swiss cheese, American cheese, and of course sourdough buns. You also could use sourdough bread too. I'm frying up that bacon and I'm toasting me buns. Now I'm going to go over to my counter and I'm going to finish up forming them patties. Hey, I caught you looking at my buns. Nicely toasted, aren't they? Now, my bacon is frying up nicely. We're just going to fry it up the rest of the way. Here's the fried up bacon. Now let's just set that off to the side and fry up them burgers. And here my burgers are on the Blackstone griddle, frying up. Let's start assembling this bad boy. You're going to want to sit there and take some of that Frisco sauce and put it on both halves of your buns. Now, let's go ahead, grab some lettuce and place the lettuce down on the bottom half of our buns. Next, what we would do is put the tomatoes down on top of the lettuce. Well, one of these I have to leave plain because my son does not like tomatoes on his. Then we would sit there and simply place 1 slice of bacon that's been cut in half. Let's not forget our cheese. You're going to need 1 slice of Swiss cheese and 1 slice of American cheese. Here is our cheese, and we're going to add the cheese after we flip the burgers. Well, it's time for me to flip these burgers and add the cheese, so I have to put the camera down so I can flip the burgers. We flip the burgers. Let's add the 1 slice of Swiss cheese and the 1 slice of American cheese. Come on, who doesn't like cheese? Psst, gotta come closer. I got a big secret. Secret of melting the cheese, put the cover on. See how nicely that cheese is melting? Now we're gonna let the burgers continue to sit there and cook the rest of the way, and then we're going to put it on top of our buns. We put the hamburgers on our buns, and now I'm going to put the top bun on, and we're going to commence eating these bad boys all up. That's how easy it is to make yourself a Frisco burger. Now, if you liked what you saw here today, please give me a big old thumbs up. Be sure to share, like, and subscribe, and y'all come back now.